Have you ever wanted to compete against the competitor on Takealot, but they're not on the same listing as you, so you can't use any auto-repricer software? Well, we've gone ahead and we've made that a possibility. You can now compete against competitors that are on completely different listings, and you can use their listing as your reference price, and you can get an auto-repricer to change based on their price. So, for example, you are selling a keyboard. Your keyboard is 199. Your competitor is selling a keyboard on his own listing for 180. The auto repricer will go and check your competitor and it'll reprice you to 179. So you don't even have to be on the same listing to compete on price. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that and also the brand new management view that we've added to TSeller. So first of all, you're going to come over to the buy box page, and then you need to make sure that you have the offers already added to the buy box. If you don't, you're just going to click on auto tracking, then you're going to click on add offer. You can select the offer and it will add it to your tracking page. This is how your tracking page looks. You can turn it on. You can edit your prices, your minimum, your maximums. If your offer is already added, this is how you add an external competitor. You're going to go to advanced rules, and on the advanced rules page, you will see two options. You have add offer and edit rules. Edit rules is to edit your frequency and your price cap. Add offer is to add a external offer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Takealot. So this is my competitor selling on a completely different listing. So I'm selling this product for around 300 Rand and the competitor is selling it for 185. So he's a lot lower than me, but I can't monitor that manually every time and go and edit the price. So what you're going to do is you're just going to copy the URL on Takealot and you're going to go back to TSeller, paste it in and click on add. This is going to count towards your limit as a tracker, but you can add as many as you like to fight against. So if you have 5 different people selling the same product, each on their own listing, you can add all of them and it will actually go and it will fight and make sure that you are the lowest out of all of them. It works exactly the same way as a buy box repricer. The only difference is you are not competing against the sellers on your actual listing. You are competing against other people selling the product. For example, this product right here. This person is selling the same product, but it's 2 different listings. So he can add a tracker to reprice according to this guy's price right here. So that's how you use this tool, and it's very useful if you are a brand and you're competing against another brand and you want to make sure that your price is always competitive. When it is a variant, please make sure to click on the variant and then give the variant URL to TSeller, and you can click and you can add as many as whatever as you want, and you can see your price difference between the two. And then you can also just delete them by clicking the cross if you want to delete them. Now, let me show you the new management view. So previous you had to manage all of your buy boxes looking like this. So what we've done is on the buy box tracking page right here, you click on the little arrow and it's going to open up these 2 tabs. You can then click on management table and then it's going to load this table format for you that's a lot easier to read and quicker to understand. So first of all, you have all your products that you've added to auto tracking. You have your current price, which is your current selling price, and you can click on it and you can edit it. You have your minimum price for your buy box and you can click and you can edit. Same for your preferred price. You have your daily reset, which you can turn on and off here. And then you actually have the status of the buy box repricer, which you can turn on and off. You can also click on this little drop down right here, which will show you your cost price and then also give you a breakdown of your profit based on your minimum, your preferred, and your current price. So we can see at the current price, my 329, I make 152 Rand profit. If I go to my minimum price, which is 263, I'll make 80 Rand profit. My preferred price is obviously my current selling price. So it gives you a profit breakdown based on those 3 different prices that you have, and you can manage everything straight in this list view. So you can basically just scroll down, see what's going on. You can see your winners, you can see your losers, and obviously you have your filters at the top so you can filter between items as easy as that. So we hope this helps you manage your buy boxes a lot more effectively and a lot quicker. And we also hope that you guys are going to be using the external offer fighting capabilities so that you can actually become more profitable and become more competitive in the market. So I really hope that you guys like these features. Let us know what you guys think of them. If there's anything else that you want, please feel free to reach out to us. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And as always, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button because it really does help us out a lot.